Oh no! What's this? I, I have zero. I have zero viewers. Oh no! Who's gonna watch me develop this my awesome project now? uh, I say that knowing that this the chat isn't like, I don't know, like I guess the chat doesn't count, I guess. That's fucked up. It's uh I'm gonna rub my eyes. I like just woke up like just for this. I got like other shit to do too. Yeah, apparently y'all are just like completely invisible. Yeah, you're not here. That's like kind of fucked up. God, wow. Whoever I'm seeing right now is only a figment of my imagination. Oh wait! Oh, I have one viewer now. Oh my god, isn't that crazy? Whoa. Anyway, hey, Grams. I literally just woke up just for this. Oh my god, I gotta lock in for real. Ugh. I can't. I'm just gonna be so honest with you. I genuinely do not remember what I'm doing. What I was doing here. I'm just sharing my entire desktop at this point. There's probably a scene in here somewhere where I actually did set up like Godot and all that, but like I don't know. It's like the four horseman. Was that, what is that? Oh, pfft. Right, yeah. Oh, who who misses when they could when they could who misses when they could just swing their grams around? Oh my god. Why is it like laggy actually? What the fuck? Or no, maybe hold on. Run. Is it running at 90? I wouldn't be so, no, it's running at, okay, no, it's running at 0. Let me set to like 165. Probably run like a little bit better. Boxing Day Grems, yes, you're so right. Oh my god. You still remember this? Oh my god. I do remember now. Didn't they I do remember, didn't they do something with 3D physics and like change it and like make Jolt the default? I believe, okay. Okay, so if you don't know, Godot 4.6 just released like a little bit ago. And okay, well obviously there's like a new theme. You could kind of tell her hair. It's kind of modern, or that's what they call it. But well, you know, God, it's a lot. But they also made like Jolt physics like the new like default physics apparently. And I remember that okay, like it works well, but I don't think it worked well specifically for me. I do not think. And that is kind of, yeah, okay, there you go. Yeah, cause then this would end up working a little bit more like Unity, where like these grams weren't as like flingable unless I would probably have some like extra code alongside that. So yeah. But you know what? It's a-okay though, because you know what they still come with? It still comes with the old physics. Oh yeah. The one that has all the dragon and everything. Oh my god. Though honestly, it is a little bit extreme, but it's fine. There's still good physics, true. God. But I don't know. I think the default Godot physics are a lot more fun with specifically this system though to be completely, I'm sure you can tweak Jolt to work like that. I could, but right now, like, this works perfectly fine as is. I will say, there's like nothing wrong with Godot, with like actual Godot physics right now. And oh my god, there's like, I don't know. I think, okay, when I was still on this, what the hell was I even on anyway? It's been so long, I like genuinely forgot. Hold on, I gotta like, I need to like rewatch my old streams. I'll be right back. What is the last thing I did? God damn, I really did. This is the first time I've drawn like a new Grembox thumbnail in like such a long time. This was just like fucking like low effort. What the fuck? What the fuck was this? something Grembox. What was I doing? Let me see. Before I went on like my Fortnite craze thing. Okay, it looks like I was like fixing settings, I think. Which is kind of odd because I thought I would be working on the AI. Okay, I was working on the AI. Okay, let's say. God. Okay, well, at least I'm like a little bit caught up now. Ugh. Last time I did this, I didn't even like grem. There you go. Process AI. Here you go. Yes. Who loves AI? Oh my god, I'm gonna make just think about it. I'm gonna be making my own AI. My own AI. Oh my god. Would you imagine if all the grams if for this project all the grams worked on like cope. Dude, here Godot 4.7 is including his new AI agent content. You're so right. Oh my god. Can we make every gram run on Copilot? That would be. I personally think that'd be amazing. What do you think? God. But let's see. What do I have? Grem action. Grem action walking. What? Ah, I see. Yes. Here you go. And then for this, I think I want to like integrate a little something called like. No, I this never gets enabled, does it? Damn. Huh. Okay, hold on. Let's see, because it's gonna be the default behavior. So I think if anything, I could just have like a little thing over here where I just have like a not change state specifically, but like I don't know, like what would you call it an action? What would you call like a function like start walking? I'm gonna misremember like a lot of bits. Can I just call it like start walking or no? No, I guess it could just be literal. Start action walk and let's have like time floaties, cause I love when time floaties. Oh my god. And then just delegate that over here. Time. Let's make that. You know what? Hold on. Grem Intel walk chance. If ran range is below Grem Intel walk chance. How do I say this gonna be affected again? So I want it to be this to be affected by what? Let me see. And I know I guess I should be like super aware that like I'm kind of like I'm sort of like what like doing a like just like straight up just jumping into this without explaining, but I'm pretty sure everyone here like kind of already knows what's going on, so I guess we won't bother explaining right now. Let me see. Trait. Okay. Trait. They ever? Okay, I did create like a bunch of other, or I have no clue. Please explain excruciating detail. You're so right. Ugh. You know what? Hold on. Um, this is my project. Yay! Okay, well you can gather that much. This is a this is a game. This is a this was meant to be a comfort game that was about more like I guess sort of like a Tamagotchi, but like not really. It's more just about like taking care of, like a bunch of Grems in general. More like it's like Nintendogs more than anything else, I guess. So you'd have like a bunch of Grems that you would take care of, that you would be able to take care of, and I mean you can't and along with like putting them around, you could like take and I imagine you'd be able to like take care of them and everything, and I imagine it'd be like super cute. But then you had to but then you'd have to but you cannot. And the process of creating Grems is that you cannot create you cannot get rid nor choose their own personality traits or how they're formed. You kind of just have to you kind of just have to like accept the Grem for who they are and just and just try to work your best with the Grem, because you gotta love your Grems. So what a nice message. Just so right. So moral. I know it's so moral, but I remember. I did not actually Grem test data. Here you go. Yeah. Okay. If I took care of this, okay, I did get rid of. Okay, so what did I say was okay? I think I did not. Okay, interesting. Did I? I'm sure I did. There's no. I guess there's no reason I wouldn't, but at the same time, it's like I don't know. Personality trait. Why did this get like okay? How much a Grem is going? Okay, I do appreciate that I left dots for myself so I don't like confuse myself and die. I need to see physical strength boost, mental intelligence boost, escalation rate, cleanliness rate, the ability rate, base charisma, base freaky, hyperactivity. So I imagine with this, so we're kind of creating this off like random chance encounters, right? Like right here. This will be multiplied by like some amount. Unsure what that amount's gonna be, but well, let's see. So So imagine what? So for walking, we're gonna have like two parameters here. We're gonna have speed, and then we're gonna have like time, I guess. Which I mean, it could be anything. Let's be real. But like I don't know, not like not like too much. I think like not too often or not too So I think in terms of everything, what? Affection, whimsy. I think for their AI, like I think activeness and hyperactivity would be would be a main factor, but also like I think like whimsy, honestly, because I don't know, you can like just by like a little bit, and like how often they move. So I could imagine like what um this will affect how often they want to move around. Activeness right here, and hyperactivity is both how often they move around and how fast they move to a certain extent. And whimsy also plays a little bit of factor in how often they move, but well, let's get started with that first. So get no, not here. I think more what grem data over here, and then func get get walk rate, and it's just gonna be like it's gonna return a number, but specifically a decimal type thing, and let's just get that to 0 so far, and then I'm gonna have a get walk walk speed multiplier, and it's gonna be something like return 0 for now, but we would want to because these aren't marked. I see. Okay, fair enough. Then I shall do that then. Get walk rate is gonna determine how a multiplier for how often a grem should walk. Right there. And then this will be a multiplier for how fast a grem should walk. And I imagine that would shorten both the speed, heighten the speed, and slow the time. So, so obviously this should be like multiplying like 1 by a little bit. So, but it'll also be multiplied by, what do we, let's see. Okay, so I imagined it was gonna be a range of 255. So let's see, grem test data. Okay, yeah, here you go. Yeah, okay. You just have like the ultimate fucking whimsy, I guess. Not very active, but super hyper for some reason. So okay, in that case, let's see. So hyperactivity should be... Hello. Hello, Ball Steep. God, we're trying, so I won't be typing much. And another new silver and gold price triple scary ass levels. Have they? Damn, I'm not. I am not. I don't keep up with that. I'm sure my I don't know. I'm sure my family does keep tapping on to an extent, but not me. If you're ever planning to rob me for gold, I don't have it. Sorry. Silver is up 237%, and gold is around 5,500 right now. How much was gold initially? Right. Okay. No, that might not be a good question. What was gold like last year? I guess. God. I guess is more what I should ask. Jeez. Three. Let me see. 3 to 4K. That's That's a what? That goddamn. That's like around like 1.5 times increase. That's crazy. Hold up. Also, that's just a shit ton of like. Shut up! Damn. There you go. Like a 2,000. That's like around a $2,000 increase. That's fucking crazy. Windows 7. Yeah. Yeah, it really is so Windows 7 core. God. I'm thinking because like this shouldn't just be like a straight multiplayer. Let's see. Let's add a const actually. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna like itch my. I'm gonna itch my I should really just use VS Code for this, huh? Hold on. Do I have VS Code? I do. What was the last thing I was working on? Oh, it's just Anarchy Armory. Okay, got it. Yes, I trust the authors. Yay! Let me bring this over here so y'all don't look at anything. Actually, let me just hide my entire thing so you don't look at it. Hold up. Would you imagine I can imagine that people actually just stream their entire desktop and just don't think about anything. And I guess that might be like the stream PC, but you know. God. Okay, there you go. Nothing happened, but, well, you know. Stay safe out there. Fucking verse. God. Let's see. What was I thinking? I was thinking that I could... Not that. Was there a Godot extension? I'm pretty sure there was, right? Godot tools. Here we go. Yes. Okay. Trust publisher and install. Yes. I mean, it is Godot tools. Okay, hold on. What the fuck? Not what I meant to do. Hold on. Select a Godot executable. Okay. There we go. Reload VS Code to apply to apply. Okay, there you go. Yay! Great. All right, let's start working. Let's start working like not literally inside Godot. So I had this open, and I had grem data and grem personality trait as the main ones. Is there a way to like just like not be able to see like UIDs or something? Hold on. What? There you go. Let's see. Disable file extension for... Can I just... Okay, hold on. Make sure you just right click a resource and copy UID. No, I want to get rid of this. I just want to get rid of it. Like on... Disable seeing file extension. Yeah, just hide it. In VS Code, just for now anyway, because like I don't want to see that. Like, I do not want an AI chatbot. Thank you. Let's see. The file dot excludes. Let's file colon excludes. Fucking liar. Hold on. Files exclude. Main menu, file, preferences, settings, and then, okay, files exclude, and we should exclude, dot, That is my florp. I do not want to... There you go. Node module is true. The file is excludes. My bad. Oh, it's okay. You're good. There you go. Now it's a little bit more cleaner. I won't be able to see the UIDs, but it's okay, since I could probably just drag it in here like manually if I need to see it. But it's fine. God. Okay, something's like itching at my brain right now. I gotta drag these over. How much this grem cares and is willing to calm down tense situations. And then much this grem is willing to be silly. And then how much this grem is willing to let loose. Just so I know later on, so I don't have to look directly in the code, because fun fact, I do tend to forget things, sadly, so, it's kind of fucked up, but it's perfectly fine. Because that is just the way I am, I suppose. Which this Grim's trying new things, how much energy yeah, okay. There you go, yay! This Grim moves. I have to make a talking sprite too. God damn it. That's okay. I can just make like the super basic AI for now. And then for this, I'd imagine it'd be like this Grem's first trait. Effects, base stats. There you go. And then it's gonna do the same thing here, but it's gonna be the second, third, fourth. Because it's hard coded to be only 4 traits. No more, no less. God. There you go. And then I think it should be good for now. And so if I hover over this, and I can, yeah, here you go. That's what I want to see. Yay! Aw, who loves good documentation? Ugh. Okay, let's see. So I was thinking over here. I think the concept should just be like over here, so I could just see them better. I don't know. But let's see. What did I name the other ones, just to make sure? Grem, Intel, Walk Chance. Honestly, I could just name it like AI Walk Chance, and it'd still be fine. And it's gonna be, AI walk rate, AI walk rate, like I don't know, like hyperactivity affection, I guess. And it's gonna be like equal to like, I don't know, honestly. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's gonna be like 1.0 plus, and like 1.0 plus AI walk rate times a walk rate hyperactivity affection times that. And we're also gonna add as well, because I did say that hyperactivity and activeness is gonna affect it too. I think mainly active is hyperactivity, so I'll add something for that too, but also like a little bit of whimsy as well. So let's just add those right off the bat right now. Activeness, affection, and it's gonna be 0 for now. And then const AI walk rate. Social ability. Whimsy. Affection is equal to 0 for now. Just for now. Not permanent. But it will be a float. Faux show. Right here. And I'm gonna proceed to add those. So AI whimsy affection times I guess active wait, no, whimsy is 255.0, since we're gonna make that a float so I can cast type, so it can actually be a decimal. Because I kinda need decimals here. And then AI walk rate of active. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I would have thought of this code specifically if I didn't take like a long break. Because I remember the last time I worked this, I kind of just felt like pretty lost in what the hell was supposed to do in the first place. I do have a better grasp of it now. I remember, do you? Oh hell no, this game has AI. That's right. All the grems are being piloted via Copilot now. Every grem is just a Copilot, is being controlled by Copilot, and whenever you talk with it, you're just talking to a Copilot chatbot, like Copilot instance. God, can you actually just like integrate Copilot to your fucking into your fucking Godot game? I wouldn't be surprised if someone made it already, but you know, I don't know anyone that would actually want to do that. Although I wouldn't be surprised if you could, and you most likely can, considering this. It's probably do HTTP requests. Yeah, I was about to say. But then it makes this game online reliant, and I don't want to do that because that would be bad. There you go. How much the whimsy stat affects the walk rate? Why is that your concern of not using Copilot? Everybody already knows what the concern about Copilot. Let's be real. I do not need to explain it to you. Do I need to explain? I like downgrade this entire OS just so I didn't have to deal with Copilot anymore. I think like Windows 10 usage is actually like going up again, and Windows 10 usage Windows 11 usage like going down just because of fucking Copilot. God, and like the amount of like AI and stuff, and how everything just feels like super cluttered. You know, obviously, you know, Windows 10 is like the last like kind of supported OS right now. I do hope in the future they like make like a fucking like Windows 12 or some shit where they just get rid of fucking everything. I mean, why is internet dependency a bigger concern than using fucking Copilot? Well, I mean, I don't know. There's a lot. There's like a lot of things. I don't know. It's not specifically that. It's like, I don't know. I'm just tired. Ugh. We got this. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I'm trying to explain myself here, but I generally can't think of anything. I genuinely can't think of anything because I just said that like for like literally no reason. So I'm just trying to think of think of something to like to like either defend myself or like say I'm sorry. But I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying at this point. I'm just like doing shit. I don't know. This is what happens when you when you wake up 20 minutes before stream and with like no preparation at all. I know you're fucking around. Don't worry. Yeah, no, I know. I'm just I don't know. I wouldn't feel the need to explain myself if I was on stream, but just being I don't know. I feel like just being on stream alone just like and with more judgy eyes on me just makes me feel the need to like be like really defensive. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know. Like I don't want people to get the wrong impression and be like, "Oh my god, she supports AI." Oh my god, because I don't. Because and I know some people are gonna take that like so like the wrong way. I don't know. There's just some shit like that, you know. And to that point, it could be considered like sort of a curse, but it'll also be like sort of a blessing. And, you know, I like eyes around me, but if I get an accusation, if I get a fucking like she supports AI accusation, I'm just shutting that shit down immediately. I can't lie with you. Hyperactivity. Oops. It's a tough thing to like touch on, I guess. I guess it's just this is just like my straight up raw emotions. So, AI walks. It's not AI specific. It's just walk speed. AI walk rate. Get AI walk speed. Not AI. And it's gonna be hyperactivity, and there you go. Oops, I put times there when I should put plus. There you go. What's the hyperactivity affects the walk speed? And what else would I guess active to a certain extent too, huh? Because then I don't know. I guess they would be able to like walk around for much longer. So I guess we should have like a walk time multiplier as well. And that's gonna be what? Walk time hyperactivity. God, I got. This is like a lot of constants that like I'm like putting here. Jesus. And then 0, and it's gonna be 1.0 plus walk time, productivity, affection, and that. There you go. Yay! Plus no. Okay. Let's have a let me place this like over here actually, just so it's a little bit more tidy like that. And then just kind of move that, shimmy that over to the side. There you go. I feel like it's gonna be formatted like that from now on. Walk speed, but then it's gonna be like not. I guess it wouldn't be as effective hyperactivity. I did say it was gonna be by activeness. Activeness. There you go. And let me just let me just do my little docs on that real quick. Affects the walk time. The time to get to its location, to their location, and I think that is multiplier for how long a grem will walk for. Alright, oops, I forgot a period. How unprofessional of me. And then I will... Hold on, okay, hold on. First, let me move these consts, like, down here, just in case. Talk about outline enabled. Okay, that looks proper. Okay, and then, AI walk chance. I guess base walk chance. Times data dot get AI walk rate, I suppose. And if that's the case, then AI there's gonna be specific AI functions right there, and then I have a speed thing, cause who me when I speed, walk speed. I guess it's gonna be a const as well. It's gonna be like a base walk speed and a base time, I guess. Base walk time is 0. It's gonna be 0 for now as well. It's gonna be how fast a grem will walk by default. And this will be how long a grem will walk by default. There you go. And how often a grem will walk by default. And then, if that's the case, then put this here, and then let's start action walk base walk speed times data dot get walk speed multiplier base walk time times data get walks time multiplier. Shouldn't have any issue with that. There you go. And then now I was gonna do everything here as well. So let's see, base walk speed. I don't know. It should be like 3 maybe. Base walk time would also be like 5 seconds. How about that? By default in seconds. In meters per second. And then let's see. Process AI did say that, what? If state doesn't equal state, then return, if data does not equal null, then start processing the AI. Every physics frame. And it's gonna be done every delta, just like that. There you go. And then, what? If it's walking, then, how I know physics is on floor. Let's go. It's like walk seconds left, and it's gonna be like 0 for now. Okay. So, if anything, I mean, I guess it's gonna be by 0 as well. So I guess if walk seconds left is below 0, then, switch, then current action is gonna switch to grem. Grem action idle. Or something like that anyway. And then, so what? I'm aware that, walk current speed. It's gonna be 0 for now. Cause I don't, let's see. If anything, I was gonna make it simple and just make, like, in linear velocity. Right, okay. Linear velocity is probably gonna be like something like, what? Like, at least x. I wanna move it on x-axis. Maybe something like, what? Never did say which direction I wanted it to go, did I? Okay. Let's see. I guess it could just be random, couldn't it? Walk current. Just gonna be walk current speed. Moving collide. Is that happening? Am I moving colliding? Let me see. No, but it does work at the very least. Move and collide. No, okay. I'm just gonna guess that it moves by itself, which is completely fair. Start action idle. Just to do my switching. There's gonna be more that comes here, but it's gonna be like a whole reset function. Start action idle. And right here, also start action idle. There you go. And then, let's see, walk current speed is speed. And then let's call this rand f range. No, just how do I make it pick like a random direction? Oh, I think I know. So 0. Okay, so inclusive. Is there like a rand? Okay, I guess not. So if rand I equals 0, then go right. If not, oh, that's not how you do that. 1.0 if this, otherwise the other direction. Something like that. And then walk seconds left. It's gonna be time. Just straight up. I don't want to have to walk the same distance all the time, so I can do like a random speed multiplier and random time multiplier. I'll add that as well, Just so I can be a little bit goofy with that. Rand F range. Let's call this like... It should be like super small. It should just be like 98 to 102. Something like that. And then same thing here. Oops, my bad. And then it's gonna be times random speed multiplier. It's gonna be random time multiplier here as well. There you go. Actually, I put a multiplier, not multiplier. I'm stupid. Multiplier. Multiplier. There you go. Yay! Isn't that awesome? And then walk seconds left is gonna be minus every, not like that, but every, I guess this game would, I guess it would work in ticks, wouldn't it? So let's see. I want to make this work in ticks. How about that? So let's see. Walk times in meters per tick. In ticks. Alright, so let's... I guess if we're... How often does the physics on this run? Common 60. So if that's the case, then... 5 seconds. I'm pretty sure that's 300, right? Yeah, okay. 300. Okay, yeah, it's just 300. That's gonna be an int, actually, when I think about it. Int. And then... and walk ticks left. The whole point of the physics process that it's not supposed to be using delta or something like that, I think. So walk ticks left minus equals 1. Walk ticks left below 0 is below or equal to 0. Oops. Then start idling. There you go. And then base walk time. Walk ticks left. Okay, so shouldn't have a problem walking ticks. There you go. I think this is actually like meters per second in a way, so I guess this would be fine. Start action and walk. Okay. So let's see. If grem isn't and linear velocity x is 0. No, actually it shouldn't be like that. It should be like, what? It should be done right, like, about here. Cause... I'm thinking what I'm thinking then. Okay, that's it for that. And walk ticks left is gonna be just 0, cause why would there be any? Int. There you go. So, if everything goes to plan, should be, for this, yeah, this should definitely be floored right here. There you go. Yay! Okay. So let me get one of these grems like some like the 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 grace the the grace of life. Let's see. Oh, great! It just starts moving immediately. Great, amazing. Okay, that is concerning. Let's see. Just one is fine. Hello? Are you moving? Hello? Okay, the base walk speed. So how about 2.0? Let's see. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, so it's gonna have to definitely be able to handle slopes in some regard. I'm wondering if it the character body 3D also function as a good dough. Can't? So plane controls. Just okay. Fair enough. Okay, then I'm gonna have to be able to handle slopes. So let me see. I would definitely prefer if there was like a grem like debug data that I could access. So let's see. Let me do that real quick actually. That's this label. And as for its like debugger stats, let's see. Graded bodies already got that physics and character bodies. You kind of just do it yourself. Yeah, I get it. It's more like I'm gonna have to learn how to like handle slopes, and I remember doing that one time in Unity, but that's like about it. I can't lie with you. No, I was gonna use navigation agent. That's right. God, I need to do that actually. So let's see then. Grem. It's like grem debug, and let's make this a GD script thing. No, obviously, and extends label 3D, and all it's gonna do is it's going to let's have like offset vector 3, and it's gonna stay like that all the time. So let's see, let's add it like vector 3, like, let's see, how far is this? Like point 0, like point 1, and then 0. Something like that. Oh, why is it doing that? Ooh, I see, yes. What's this do actually? Okay, well, it does exactly what you think it does, just, well, I sees. Let's just call it global offset. And then, func, process. And then get parent node 3D, global position is gonna equal its parent's global position plus global offset And global rotation. Well, I mean, it's just never gonna have a rotation, I guess. Yeah, that's right, I cannot do that. Could I do quaternarian identity? No. No, I think I'm just stupid. No, I could just, like, vector 0. I'm thinking, like, uniterm, sorry. And then, for text, I could do, like, grem. Just assume that anyway. Hoping it works. And then, let's see. Current action. And it's gonna be like that. And then x plus equals. It's gonna take up a lot of things, I can already tell. So I'm just gonna do it like if not visible, then don't process. Then walk time is that. Let's do this right now. Grem dot current action. I'm not sure this is gonna work. It's just gonna try my best with it. Walk ticks left. I guess I could put like debug here. Walk chance. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god. Sorry. And bless you. Thank you. Current walk chance is gonna be grem dot data dot grem dot grem in general dot AI base walk chance times grem dot data dot get AI walk rate. Ooh, I see. That should work. Yay! And then let's add another debug thing over here. Acquired walk chance, random walk chance. Gonna be something like what? Grem dot debug walk chance. That is the case, and I put this here. Grem debug. Always be like this specifically. Oops, sorry. or grem if if let's move this all the way up here. If grem data equals null, then visible equals false right there, and y is just doing everything like, oh, I see, yes. Oh, what a shame. Okay, Oh, let me do this real quick. God. Can I stop using... Okay, how do I... Okay, spaces. I need to indent using tabs. There you go. Oh! 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 Okay. Okay, fuck. Okay. Let's see. And then we should have like a... We need to add like a print thing that says walking. I don't want to walk too much, obviously. Okay, but that is too little actually. Let me see. Let's say how about a 1 in 350 chance. How about that? Oh Jesus Christ! Okay, yeah, that is 5 seconds of walking. Oh, just 60, just for 1 second. How about that? Okay, I'm gonna have to like make it like go on slopes. I'm just not sure how I do that. I could. Okay, yeah, it's like it's trying its best, but it's. God. That's kind of fucked up. Okay, well no, it's making its way. Sorry, I don't know why it makes that whenever I like pinch my mouth. If I don't do anything, then I want to Let me surely decrease the AI chance of it walking. And then let's see. So animation tree. Let's deal with this. Default idle. But oops. Is there like an idle, like, okay, there is. So direction, idle right, idle left. And so, match current action, direction equals linear velocity, x, but just the sign. There you go. So it should flip around whenever it walks. Unsure though. Let's see. God. This is so fucked up. It's not supposed to flip over like that, but well, you know. It's going the same way again. Okay, well, the grem is trying its best. That you know what, that's what matters, right? That's what matters in life. Is that you're trying your best. God. Can I move this, please? Like any way I could move that. Oh, like that. There you go. Okay, wait. Because that is the case. Velocity left. Okay, and need direction as well. Actually, was direction ever like? I don't think it was actually. Okay. Okay, let's see. I How do we make it so it follows this specifically? I do want it to follow that direction thing. I don't know how to. Unless, okay, well, I mean, it could be like, instead of like having purely idle right here, it could have machine, state machines for both left and then right. And it could be like mirrored, I guess. Twisted sort of fashion. So, right here, we could have idle left, but just call this idle. And then we could follow it up right there. And, have a walk left, but just call this a regular walk if, for instance, let's say, current action is equal to 1. And the animation tree, okay, yes, the advanced expression is at grem. So, oops. And we do this, oops, do that if current action is not equal to 1. And we do this, and we do like around the same thing like on here. So, we have idle right. We're just gonna call this like a regular idle. I have another walk, but this is gonna be walk right. I'm just gonna start immediately idle, go here, but the advanced expression is current action is equal to 1, and have another one right here that goes current action is not equal to 1, so it goes back to idle. And then it should, oh shit, no, there you go. Yay! Okay, we're saved. At least for now. Go over here. And it could like easily flip-flop in between. Like what I'm planning for it to do. Yeah, like that. But by default it'll be left, but you can switch flip-flop in between. So let's see. Direction equals 1. It's gonna be if direction is -1. There you go. It's really trying its best. God. Hold on. I gotta... var, let's say var current direction. Loki didn't notice there's no BGM. I don't know. I don't really like the current the BG. I didn't really like the BGM that I created for myself. So I think I'm just gonna hold off on the BGM since I just don't. I don't know. I don't really want. I don't. I think if I were to do a BGM now, I think I'd make it like a loads better. And therefore, I guess I just like rebranding my entire thing. Honestly, like my entire like loading screen and everything. You get what I mean? I don't currently feel satisfied with it right now, so that's why I just don't put it on. Direction equals current direction. Ah, right. There you go. It's like kind of struggling there, I cannot lie with you. God. But it is working. It is working. You see that? God. It's not very active for a show. I don't know why it's like... I don't know why it's like doing that. Like, let's just gotta up those values. No, it's not. Let me see. Make this inactive for now. That's okay. The problem is, I don't know what the problem is actually. I'm not gonna lie with you. But what I'm thinking is that this is probably not the right sort of action I need to do. Is there a way to like sync it so... Okay, I think I might just have to do direction, but like in a different way. So let's see. Let's get rid of this for now. And then let's see here. So I want to do is add a blend space right here that just says idle, and then that's gonna be either sync, yes. I'm gonna have to do this, but is there a way I can just like bind animation tree parameter to value in class? Godot. Okay, so I don't know. Like, I don't want to, like... I'm not sure. I don't want to do, like, this all the time and just, like... Because, like, now I have to go to animation tree and I have to look at parameters and... Oh, yeah, look, the parameters are right there. You know. God. I wouldn't normally have an issue with it. I just gotta, you know... Okay. So I guess if anything, I should probably start doing like, what? Sorry, I don't know what the fuck's happening. That's like kind of rudimentary, but like, okay. Shit, I completely forgot I wanted to use an application agent. I will use that, just not right now. So I just want to get like a basic thing down, and well, I kind of already like done it already. So animation tree, and then physics. And for export group animation, it's gonna have to find an animation tree, so I'm just gonna do this, at least. So it's gonna be animation tree, and then animation direction parameters. Hi there! Oh my god! I didn't know you're there. I don't think I've seen you around before. Welcome in. I'm kind of locking in right now, if you know what I'm saying. Because I kind of have to, I am currently working on a game right now, if you couldn't tell by the, by the thumbnail and everything. Hold on. What? I forgot what I named it, though. Is this fucking Jax? I swear to God. God. I feel like you'd be the only person just to mention Neja like unprompted. But you know what? I'd be so down. God. I can't believe I didn't recognize you at first. That's crazy. Where's my you know what? Hold on. You know what? I just had a really good question. Where the fuck are my shark grams? What the fuck? Hold up. Let me see. Okay, no wonder they just don't exist. Hold on. My shark grams just don't exist. What the fuck? Hold up. They have been existing for like the longest time and no one pointed it out. That's crazy. It seems to be stuck on trying to... Okay, no, it's been stuck on launching for like the longest time. What the fuck? Seriously? God. Okay, hold on. Alright, there you go. It should be up now. Where am I? You're nowhere. You should make like a Doom Yaoi Neja game and I get like 10 bazillion plays from CN from China CN for Yoshi's. You're so right. You're so fucking right. Oh my god. Wow. I can't believe I didn't think of that. You're so smart. Oh my god. Wow. Let's see. Animation tree. Can I just set is there just wait? Oh, that is my florp. Let me see. What the fuck is Florp? You don't know Florp, the awesome browser? Come on. It's like okay, Florp is like an offshoot of like Firefox. Essentially. Pretty much what it is. Evil purple browser, you're so right. Oh my god. Like a parameter or something. The Jonah browser, you're so right. God, hello? Can I search? What the fuck? Hold up. Find. How do I find something? I'm like doing Control F, but I'm like. I gotta do Control F here, right? Okay, yeah. So this is tweaking. Great. Firefox, do not tweak out on me. What the fuck? Everything's blanked out aside. What is this? Okay, hold on. Let me reopen Firefox. Okay, there we go. Parameter. Ah, I see. Yes. Okay. Dot set. For parameter in animation direction parameters. Animation set parameter to direction. There you go. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna do. Isn't it 3 AM for you? Like, yeah, no, it is. I always stream at like this specific time. It's kind of, I mean, to a lot of people, I could imagine it's like really fucked up, but well. Not like I hashtag give a gaff. I mean, I do give a gaff, but well. Let's see. So if I move this around, it's not gonna work. Why isn't it working? Am I stupid? I must be stupid. No, this is snapping. How do I make it so? Cause I had this perfect last time. What am I doing? God, give Grem slop dinner. You're so right. Oh, why didn't I think of that? Wow. Is it not? It's not active. It is active. What? Wait. No, I know why. Go here. Okay. Now. There you go. Now it's doing its thing. And now, I will not lie, this would be a lot this would be a lot better doing Unity, but at the same time, I do not want to do in Unity because it does not have the physics that I want. And I do not feel like putting those physics in. So, let me, sync, and then let's do some walk in here, another walk in here, and it's gonna just switch in between. It's gonna happen when current action is 1, and this will happen if current action isn't 1. There you go. Yay! Let me just delete this. Alright, let's try now. You walk. Walk for me. Actually, I didn't set anything, did I? Hold on. I might be stupid. Let me see. Assign tree, direction parameter. Sit. You're so right. Oh, how could you ever forget the sitting? Slop dinner grems. You're so right. For some reason, I feel like there's like a much better way of doing this, but I'm kind of stupid right now, so I'm gonna test it. I will test it out later if I could just have like a single like direction thing, and if I can, then I will proceed to do that. But I guess not right now. Okay, great. Where should you go, Grem? Where should you go? Show me your ways. Okay, well, you're still moving, like, really fast. I cannot lie with you. That's, like, kind of concerning. I'm kind of hungry now, so I want to go home and eat some kind of oatmeal congee, aka slop dinner. You're so right. Eat all the congee you want. God. God. You should. You know what? Okay, hold on. I never knew this, but for the longest time, I thought. Okay, fucking congee. Hold on. Like, okay, congee is like yeah, like rice porridge, right? Like right here. I don't know. I always thought like all porridge was congee, but like I never realized that like there's different types of porridge out there, because I thought like I don't know, like they like my like they always told me like my parents always referred to porridge as the congee as like jiao or like porridge. So I don't know. Just my Vietnamese like coming on. God, there's something very severely wrong with this though. Is the fact that I don't know why it's moving so fast, I will say. I mean, I could just ask it, I cannot lie with you. Why does animation tree go so fast? Animations so fast. Godot. Put the animation using timescale. Am I fucking stupid? I think I might be. I don't know. I can't say for sure. Does this have a? No, it does not. Okay. Very interesting, cause like it's working, but like it's really unstable, I guess, if I were to say that, if I were to say the word. Like, okay. it's weird. I think... Okay, wait. To an extent, it does work. But... Yeah, I don't know. It just... it like, generally just starts tweaking for some reason. I don't know why. They're probably talking about blend tree. Blend tree. There? Over here? I don't know. What are you talking about? This? I think Bushy has oatmeal. Oatmeal is a kind of white people porridge. I tried making it the white people way, and I kind of disliked it because it's like eating sweet chow, and I ended up cooking it like... God. This is fucking stupid. I didn't even know that was considered porridge. That's crazy. I've only considered like congee as porridge. That for the longest time of my life, I did not know that. Yeah, timescale's there. What? That's the case. Use custom timeline. Search timeline. Okay. The thing is, like, how do I? It's so weird, because how does this work? Am I fucking stupid? Like, what's going on? I'm so serious. Switch media, X-Fade time curve, playtime travel, playtime immediate. Am I must be fucking stupid or something, 'cause, like, why is it doing that? Yeah, but at the same time, it's like, why would this, I didn't have, like, a time scale or anything, so why is it moving so fucking fast? Do you plan on making the grams have, like, eating animations? Yes! Be so awesome. Unfortunately, this game is being kind of a dickhead to me right now. Not letting me do what I wanted to do. Unless... Well, it would be fun low-key. Yeah, that is true. That's so true. But, like, ugh. I don't know. This is not cooperating with me right now, and I, like, genuinely do not know why. Why is it doing, why is it doing the thing that it does? Like, it starts, like, tweaking for, like, no reason. Genuinely. I can already tell this thing's not, like, super hyperactive, but it's fine. Okay, it just starts fucking tweaking. I don't know why. Why does it just start tweaking for, like, no reason? Hold on. Also, my sensitivity's just not that good for some reason. I'm fucked up. Stretch to fit. There's something severely wrong right now. Why is the sensitivity on this, like, this might be because of that, huh? Okay, hold on. Let's make this false in general. No, it's just tweaking for no reason. Why is it tweaking? Why is the curse? Is it because of my DualShock? It's because of my DualShock, isn't it? I'm gonna kill my DualShock. God. Fucking hell. Close Florp. Okay, I don't know. Like, the entire game just starts tweaking for, like, no reason. Why? I cannot, like, move my mouse as well as I should. Be able to. Like, okay, this works, but not my mouse. It goes by so quick. Why? I mean, at least it does work. Okay, yeah, I need to make it. I need to make it like be able to like walk up slopes. This is kind of fucked up, low key. God. Um. Hmm. Or maybe, hold on. Be kind of a stretch right now, but if I do something like this, Grandma will not be able to rotate anymore. But like if this happens, then move you over here. Okay, no, but not even, cause like it needs to like walk up here. So I don't know. It's fucked up. It's crazy. Okay, so I need to turn on Angular Z whenever it gets grabbed, but after that, it shouldn't move like at all, low key. Well, let's see. So let's see. Angular's access log Angular Z equals true. Otherwise, or no, false. Otherwise, true. Over here, and then there you go. So if I grab it now, it should be able to still be flung, although very shittily because what the fuck is going on with the mouse? I swear to God, I'm so serious. What is like? Did I mess up something? Like what's happening with the pointer? Jeez. Alright, let's just make this pass for a moment. Because, like, Jesus Christ. Okay, no, it's just tweaking. Why? Hold on. I want to say because of controller inputs, but I'm not too sure. Okay, if I unplug the controller. Okay, no, it is because of controller. It's like a really weird dead zone thing, I will say. I think is happening. There you go. Okay. I can flick my grips again, yay! And it can. There's probably no dead zone. Fair enough. God. Why it's so fast? I don't get it. Why is it so fast? For what? I'm so serious. Move this out of the way. Hold on. And it just like it starts tweaking for some reason. Okay, I want it to like flip around at the very least. Okay, so I think so. By default, it should have it off. I have off right here, but if it's not in a particular state, then I think the grem grabber will current grem. Yes. Okay. I'll drag. If not dragging, and allow drag. Then current grem state. Current grem dot axis lock. Angular Z is true or false. So I believe now it should do that. Yeah, so it should be able to land. Now I can't move by itself, so I gotta drag it back over here. God damn it. Okay. Like, odd the way it works. So odd. It's all so odd. Oh, because of... There you go. True. There you go. Okay, so if I did... So if I flung it over here, then it started, like, trying to walk, but it can't really. Okay, so... Just because it lands does not mean that it's on idle. So, If physics is on floor, then I feel like... I feel like I'm doing too much here. Because, okay, what I want to do is that I want to, I don't know, first of all, I want to fix the animation being too fucking fast. I don't know why it's so fast. For what? I don't even know why. It's so stupid. Unless... I mean, to be fair, I did do all these animations via hand so far. I guess it wouldn't hurt to try. Let's see. No, it doesn't work. You think something like signals could help? And what and how? I'm genuinely curious. Like, I don't know. Can't exactly imagine it. But let's see. Current direction doesn't equal 0. If linear velocity, let me make it like a little dead zone right now. So let's see. Abs that, and it's like no, okay, that's not how it works. I remember. Good dough, Python type shit. Else 0. So it shouldn't stop tweaking anymore. No, it's still tweaking. I don't know why it's tweaking, but it is tweaking. Let's see. I think there's a problem with the rigid body in general, or is it not? I might be stupid, but... Okay, because yeah, direction... This is the only way that direction changes, so I don't know. If abs velocity equals 0. Else is 0. Okay, it's not equal 0. You think so? Each take they roll the dice and it lands and shoots a signal. Kind of, but I don't know. It already does like this. I don't know how I could signal this. I mean, I definitely could. But like I said, I don't know how at the moment. I definitely want to make sure that whenever I fling the grem, it doesn't like automatically like as soon as it lands on the floor, it starts like idling. I want it to what? If it manages to, I could just do it right now. So grem state. Land is gonna be landing is gonna be 3. And Process AI. Process flip. So, does it even need delta? I don't think so. Yeah, it doesn't. There you go. Let's flip. So, I'm bound to do this eventually. Might wrap it up after this. Flip ticks left. It's gonna be 0. It's like not read. This is not that readable. I'm gonna be honest with you, but ticks till flip, and it's gonna be like 60 or something. Process flip. Landing. Flip ticks left equals tick still flip. Okay, and then let's see here. If ticks flip ticks left is more than 0, then flip ticks I need to make this more readable. I will in a little bit. I just have I think like next Grembox stream would just be dedicated to like having them to just cleaning up code, honestly. Flip ticks left. Oops. If state equals grem state dot state landing process flip and then return, and then after that, if flip ticks left is 0, then specifically here, if flip ticks left equals 0, then just do a quick and cool flip. Like, maybe like 6 or something. And then lerp. I'm fucking stupid. Let's see, and then not global rotation. How about global basis equals global basis dot slurp. And then 2 basis dot identity, I guess. Yeah, sounds about right. And then 2 and wait. I don't know, just 0.3 will be fine, I guess. And if it is on floor, then global rotation is 0. Kind of shitty, but I think if I were to do that, then let's see. Yeah, there you go. If it is on floor, then state. Actually, I can just do like state equals grem state default. There you go. Let me make it so it doesn't jump as high, because it's kind of fucking stupid. There you go. There! Yay! Okay. How that? God. How about... Okay, so how about it does it after, like, 1.5 seconds. So if is on floor... Tick still flip. Because if is on... If not is on floor, then flip ticks left still needs to equal that. Okay, so, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do something. Tick still flip. If not is on floor, flip ticks left is still gonna equal that. I'm tweaking right now. There you go. Okay. Wait. Okay, so then I'll make it so it's like that. There you go. And then if I flip it now, Fortnite vehicle, yeah. Basically, yeah. You're right. God. That's stupid. God. I don't always tweet like that, but it does work at least. At the very least, it does work, and you know what? That's what I can be proud of it for. God. So if I flip it like that, then it'll just get back to where it was. There you go! Yay! Oh, that. Let me just give like every grem like AI now. Let me see. Its own little AI. It's probably gonna have like the same AI for now. I still need to test everything, but if this is the case, it should work just fine. Everyone is really goddamn fast for some reason, but shouldn't matter. Why is everyone so fucking fast? I swear to God. Everyone is so fast. Why? I think this is a good choice. There you go. It's still like pretty hyperactive, but well, it's good enough. Everyone's like genuinely tweaking right now. Oh my God. Let's see. I think it might be because, let's see, no, okay, let me see. No, it's not even, because, like, what's going on? I don't get it. The fuck? I don't get it. Why is it so fast? There's no reason to. Everything's so fast. And I don't get why it's so fast. It's like, I don't know. Do I have to do, like, on physics? Or, like, what's up? No. still doing that. So why is it so fast? I don't get it. Okay, alright. What if instead I mean, so it just does the walk left animation whenever it feels like it. So it's gonna be like, what? I did see the sync option, so I'm gonna do that next time. But let's see. Current. Oops. If current action equals 1, then this is gonna be if current action doesn't equal 1. I'm gonna delete these transitions for now. There you go. And let's just see what happens. Okay. Okay, no, it's specifically the blend tree. Very specifically the blend tree, I will say. In that case, what would happen if I... Or blend space. So what would happen if I did like a... Doing that, I had a left and a right. Right here. And let me see something. This syncs. It syncs, okay. What it would do is it would left, right, switch in between these whenever sync. You will sync as well, and you will do this. Go this whenever direction equals -1. Otherwise, if direction equals 1. Okay, so let's just, oops, I'm sorry about that. Let's see. So by default, it's probably gonna start on the left, but then it'll just go on the right after. Alright, so idle, and then walk. Transition here, if current action equals 1, and then just same thing over here, but this time it's a not. And then, oops, sorry about that. Same thing over here, idle right there. And so I should be going over here, switch if that. If not that, then switch back. Okay, what would it do now? I've done that. It's still tweaking, but at least it's doing something. Okay, well, this works, kind of. I could just, hold on, I could just, I'll like a little bit of charm to it, why not? Fuck it. And then, okay, I put that there, so I could just do that. Yay! Great. Taking them a little bit to find a footing, but, well. At least it's not like as sped up anymore, which is good, but they're still kind of tweaking, so let me see something. Grem debug. Still tweaking for some reason, so I want to see their direction right now. Let's say this is gonna be a grem direction. There you go. Oh. Ah, I see. Ugh, I hate when it does that. Why does it keep doing that? I'm gonna kill them. It's using tabs for... There. Okay. And then if I do that... No. Why? Why? I need checking Godot. Grem debug. Oh, I see. Of course it do that. Oh, my bad. Enable the debug so you can actually see everything. Why did it do that? What the fuck? Hold on. Okay, so it's like not wrong, but like this is the thing I'm worried about, because how is direction set? It's only set here one time, and it's when near velocity. Okay. Let me check linear velocity then. Grem dot linear velocity. There you go. Yay! As well, I want to do something like, what? Debug text. Have that line to the left. Top. No, bottom. That, and then it's over here. So it always does that, and then there you go. No fucking what? It's always like, I don't know. That's crazy. Okay, I need like a dead zone for real. I don't know how I'm gonna do that though, but I'll try. Is above. My bad. I didn't do the dead zone thing right. Okay, now if it moves, it should just... Yeah, okay, there you go. Yay! No, it's not tweaking anymore! Isn't that awesome? It's walking by itself now! Yay! Well, I still have to do slopes, but, well, that'll come another time, I guess. Ugh. Whatever. Let me see. Disable that. That looks presentable, right? Surely. God. I hope. Look at that! Oh my god, it's moving! Oh my god, isn't it awesome? God. Look. It's moving. Oh my god. Think about it. Look. It's literally moving. Look at that! Oh my god! Wow. I'm so proud of myself. Wow. The grem AI. Soon this is gonna evolve to like a grem like co-pilot or something. God. Yay! Isn't that awesome? Oh my god. And look at it as well. Grem AI, true. I believe like the target also follows around the grem. So if I just focus on this grem, then I can just look at it like, yeah, there you go. Yay! Isn't that awesome? Oh my god. Isn't that amazing? Look at how true. Focus on the grem and they get look at them! Oh my god. It's amazing. It's truly it's this is what grem box is about. Oh my god, they're literally moving. Oh my god. They figure out the first steps. You're so right. Oh my god. I'll like randomly generate test data next time, but God, I'm just happy that they're just alive in the first place. Look at them. Isn't that awesome? Oh my god. Wow. I'm so proud of them. God. Okay, you're kind of tweaking. I cannot lie with you. There you go. Oh, wrong one. There you go. Focus on this one. Oh my god. The grem. You can like focus on them, and then they just you can just watch them like move around. It's just awesome. God. Okay. There's something I did notice about the targeter's camera, and is that what? I believe that the targeter should process last. I'm trying to do that. Let me see. Okay, so I want to fish priority 1. So if I focus on this grem now, then the camera should be a lot smoother. Okay, every grem moves to that one. Great. Just what I wanted. I'm waiting on you. You're not very active, are you? I mean, it did say in the test data that it wasn't very active, which is completely fair. But God. But okay. I should modify this also because get walk rate multiplier activeness. I think it should be more like what? Activeness minus 255 and then 255 times okay, and then divided by this. I think this would make a lot more sense. I mean, okay, well, okay, it doesn't affect anything right now because I haven't done the AI, like, the AI, so I guess this really is just the default, isn't it? God. What does Lazy do again? I forgot. Let me see. Base. Okay, yeah, act minus 70. Jesus, man. Do like... I don't know how I want to do this, to be honest. Oh, we'll see. I'm just glad that they're taking the first steps. Oh my god. Isn't it amazing? Whoa. I'm gonna keep aspect ratio. There you go. Oh my god. Yeah, look at them. Look at them doing. Whee! God. And they do like a little flip and it's awesome! Oh my god! Whoa. They're taking their first steps. It's amazing. Oh my god. Just think about it. Okay. If I focus on this grem, it should not, like, jitter out anymore, I believe. With the things I've done. But let's see. Anytime now, grem, you can move. Nope, it's still doing it. Why? Am I controlling the camera with target camera? Doing a process? I am doing it with a process. Okay. Perhaps that is the problem. Because ideally, I guess I'd want to do it like after a physics process. Focus on this grem. I'm watching you. Move. Please. Okay, yeah, no, it doesn't do it anymore. Okay, great. It's just what I wanted. Yay! Oh my my god, look at it. Oh, the target moves the camera around along with the grem. Oh my god, isn't that amazing? Oh my god. I want them to like be able to bump into each other too, but like let me see. I guess they couldn't be able to move that way. Peek? That's so true. That's so fucking true. Oh my god. If I slam an alarm like this, they'll be able to get up on their own. But I don't think they'll be needing to do that if this is the case. I see. I need to check something. Yes, here we go. If flip ticks equals 0 and what? Global rotation dot c abs. That is like not like what's like okay, like what's like 1 degree in radians? 1 degree in radians. It makes I'm gonna be fucking stupid. There you go. Global rotation Z is above that, then okay. So then yep, proper behavior, and if it just lands, then it'll just correct itself simply. There you go. Yeah, there you go. So it doesn't have to like jump like that for like no reason. Okay. Yay! Oh, they're so... Oh my god, isn't that so awesome? Oh, my sweet little Grems. I should really make them like based on have like be able to like navigate the entire plane, because they only operate on speed right now, and I really would not like them to just do that. I want them to have like a target as well, but let's see. Wait, there you go. God. Look at them. Isn't that so awesome? Oh my god. Grem! Yay! Okay. I think this might be it for now. I think that was pretty good progress. They're fucking alive. They're moving. Oh my god. They're alive. They're moving by themselves. And like oh my god. Alright. That's good enough for today. Let me push my changes. If we can do that real quick. Open terminal. Lazy Gitch. And then let's do not do that. That very productive for reals. You're so right. You're so right. Oh my god. Okay, no. What I think I should do is I should not do this first, but instead, update to Godot 4.6. What? No, god damn it! Of course you do that. Okay, hold on. I gotta set my Git user stuff. Ugh. Forgot I don't do Git stuff on here often. Hold on. Username, AnnieBoo. User email. My YouTube email. Which is very public. There you go. And then now let's, there you go. And then, nope, not that. Implement basic walking. Walking and flipping AI. There you go. Yay! It's awesome. Last time I worked on this was November 4th? Damn! Holy shit! It's been 2 whole months since I worked on this. Damn, time flies. Oh my god, you're so rad. Why? Oh my god, that's crazy. For reals. God. I feel so good about this. I'm like realistically I'm probably gonna make a fucking YouTube video. I'm probably gonna fucking post a video on Twitter about this shit. My sweet little grem set move. God. Alright, but you know what? I think that's good for today. Because I do have duties to attend to tomorrow. And I cannot avoid them or else everyone will kill me. But yeah, I will see everyone later. Because I have to take care of myself and go to sleep just like everyone else here. Every other Graham here, Graham here, has to go. Take care of yourselves, basically. Alright. I'll see you later. It's like 4 a.m. right now. Y'all have, I don't know, it's like almost morning. Y'all have a good morning, afternoon, evening, and, I'll see y'all later. I'll see you. Hey, everyone. Bye, everyone. I don't know why my expression is so delayed. That's stupid. Alright, I'll see everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye. No BGM.